Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today we're going to be jumping in with some really budget-friendly DIYs using Dollar Tree items. And guys, I'm super excited because I haven't done one of these in quite a while and we're going to get started. So I'm using one of these boxes I've had for years from the Dollar Tree, just never used it, and some floral foam that you can find in the aisle where they sell all of the faux florals and little vases and jars. And guys, I'm just going to be cutting this into shape to fit inside of this box. It's really well made. It looks like it might be acacia wood, but I haven't seen any lately. So as you know, Dollar Tree pulls items sometimes, but I can try to find an equivalent of this and put it in the description bar below, or you can just use one of their regular little decor items that I use as a base a lot, and that'll be later on in a later video. And I'm just going to go on ahead and adding in some hot glue to the base of the floral foam. So guys, I gotta say while I'm adding this in that the Dollar Tree has some really nice floral picks this year. They've really been coming up on their game and I'm loving them. And so I picked up some of those, and I also got some candles. They always come two in a pack. I'm using the white ones, but guys, they're so affordable still. Nice long taper candles, and I'm going to be using 2 packs but only 3 out of them, and I'm going to be adding those into the floral foam. So we're going to be going for a nice little centerpiece, and I'm using my hot glue gun just to go in and make some room with the floral foam. It's very dense. That way I won't break my candle, but I'm not actually adding hot glue. And I will be adding in 3 of those. Next, I will be deconstructing some of these little picks that they have there. They're really cute with the color. They have different types of picks, and they have some cedar picks that look like they're real this year. They have like little berries on them. These picks, however, I picked up from Amazon. They were a little bit cheaper on Amazon because I got 40 of them, literally 40, for about 13 bucks, whereas the Dollar Tree, they're a little bigger with berries, but you're only getting 1 pick. So I will leave a link if you're interested in creating little DIYs or just having a little bit of picks for the season, and they're at a really good price. So I'll leave the link for this in the description bar below. Just be careful because they're a little sharp on the ends. And I have enough. You can use as little or as much as you like, and I'm just gonna add in those little berries that I used a little bit earlier to separate, and you can go in with whatever else you want. I'm gonna be adding in some pine cones and some of the bulbs. Now the Dollar Tree does still sell those long sleeves of bulbs. They're a little small, but they're perfect for little things that you're making, or little crafting, or if you don't mind little bulbs on your tree, they're perfect for that. They come in really pretty colors. I'm going with the traditional look right now, but if you don't want to glue these in place, you can just place them in there instead of using hot glue, and you can switch out the color to a more neutral tone or whatever color scheme that you're using for this season. And that's all there is to this, guys. It's very simple, very quick, and like I said, you can do this another 5 minutes and you're done. I think it looks pretty nice, and I love the look of the greenery. You want to bring that into your home this time of year, and even if it's not real, it has this real look to it, and I think it's really pretty. And I didn't even paint the base. I think the wood looks great just the way it is. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using some craft paper. Any craft paper will do. I'm using this one. It has a little bit of metallic sheen to it. I do apologize if the glare is affecting your eyes. I know it's glaring on the camera, so I do apologize, guys, but any craft paper will do. And I'm just going to give a little light coat of Mod Podge on the back and grab one of those hurricanes from the Dollar Tree. Everyone has a few in their home. And I'm just going to add a little Mod Podge on one side only and just go ahead and apply my craft paper. Because everyone uses these over and over again, you don't have to put Mod Podge all over the entire little vase or hurricane. You could just put it in one area and just wrap the craft paper around it. And it's that simple. And just smooth it out, and you'll just, in a matter of seconds, you will literally have a decorative item that will look like a vase in your home for the holidays. You can do it with any color craft paper you want. I'm just going with something with a little bit of a shimmer and a little bit of a sheen for that nice holiday look. And that's all there is to this. For the little area that you saw, I'm going to go back and put a little piece of craft paper there just to cover it up. But this is such a quick, easy way to bring in a holiday feel to your home at no cost hardly at all. And even if you don't have these hurricane pieces in your home, the Dollar Tree always has these, and you can just go pick some up for $1.25 each, and you really can't beat the price. So with this, all you're doing is just cutting out the length of it. Very simple and easy, applying the Mod Podge and then just applying it to the hurricane. And this you can do in a matter of minutes, which is why I love doing quick, easy crafts, guys, where you don't need a lot of items and it's not complicated, because you want to spend the holiday with your family. And yeah, this is just perfect way of bringing in decor, and it's very budget friendly. And this is where I just added the piece that I trimmed off earlier to this other hurricane. And guys, this was such a fun, easy DIY. And I added in some luminar candles. They're perfect, and you don't have to worry about a fire or anything. And I think they look so cute, and it's just bringing in a little bit of a holiday feel to your home for nothing at all, and really quickly done in less than 5 minutes. So for my last one, guys, this one is super quick and easy. I'm going in with some really cute buffalo check craft paper and one of these decor signs that's unfinished, and it's just saying, hey, use me for DIY. So I will, and I'm just going to trace this out and cut it. And guys, it's really that simple. I guess the longest time you'll spend is actually cutting it out, but you're just going to be using Mod Podge again to paste this on. And once you get it all trimmed out, and just add a base to it, and it's going to really be that quick and simple and so much fun. And I love doing crafts like this time of year, that you can bring in the kids or do it as a family, where you're not using anything that's too you know, too complicated, just pretty simple. So I'm just adding on my Mod Podge, just making sure I bring it to the edges, and that's basically it for this DIY. In the meantime, I grabbed a little base, like a little decor that has cute little writing on it from the Dollar Tree that they pull out for every year, for every season. It already has some really pretty greenery on it that's printed on there, so I'm not even going to paint it once again. And I'm simply going to just add this on to the top of it. Don't worry about the inside, we're going to fill that later, but I'm going to put a dab of hot glue on it, just so that way it stays in place, of course, and adheres to this. And I'm treating it sort of like a base. Isn't that so cute, guys? I will go back and get my leftover picks and greenery that I did not use, and just fill in the bottom of this. and it's just going to give it such a cute little festive feel. And guys, I hope you like this one also. All of these were done so easy and just quickly, and that's what you want to do during the holiday seasons, and basically get it done, you know guys. So I hope you like all 3 of these quick, easy, budget-friendly DIYs using Dollar Tree items. Hope to see you in the next video. If you like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys. We're going to be coming back with some more DIYs, maybe a DIY wreath and some home updates. So I hope to see you all in the next video, and thank you all for watching.